Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is EthioTube educational channel. If you are unfamiliar with this channel, please subscribe our channel and be family with us. In today's video, we are going to do different various questions regarding low COC exams for students who are intending to take a low COC exam in Ethiopian university. Those questions are very relevant with the legal system of Ethiopian's contextual academic context. Let's start. Question number 1. What is the official language of Ethiopia? Answer: Amharic. Number 2. Who is the head of state in Ethiopia? As we know, the head of state in Ethiopia is the president, whereas the head of government is the prime minister. The prime minister. Number 3. How often are general elections held in Ethiopia? Yes, right. In Ethiopia, general election held every 5 years. Every 5 years. Question number 4. What is the minimum voting age in Ethiopia? The minimum voting age in Ethiopia is 18 years old. Yeah. Citizens of Ethiopia who have reached 18 years old have the right to elect their representative. What about to be elected? The minimum age is 21. Someone who reached 21 can be elected as either prime minister, either president, or any other official positions. Question number 5. Which branch of government is responsible for making laws in Ethiopia? Hello everyone. As we know, in Ethiopian parliamentary system, responsibility of making law is the parliament or the legislative body or the House of People representative. Question number 5. Number 6. What is the highest court in Ethiopia? Yes, the highest court in Ethiopia is the Federal Supreme Court. The Federal Supreme Court. Question number 8. What's the role of House of Federation in Ethiopia? Answer: the role of House of Federation in Ethiopia is to represent the interest of regional state, ensure participation in the federal government, also what? Interprets the constitution of Ethiopia, settle disputes which is occurred among regional states. Question number 9. What is the role of House of People representative in Ethiopia? Yeah, as we know, House of People representatives are peoples who represent the whole society. Answer: to make laws, approve budgets, and oversee the executive branch. HPR have a power on making laws, make laws, approve budget, oversee executive branch. Everyone, hello everyone. Let's continue. Question number 10. What is the term limit for the Prime Minister of Ethiopia? Yeah, as we know, in Ethiopian system of government, Prime Minister has no specific limit to be on official authority. Question number 11. What's the role of National Electoral Board of Ethiopia? Answer: to organize and oversee election in what? In the country. Question number 12. What is the punishment for committing treason in Ethiopia? committing treason or ክህደት in Amharic ክህደት to answer the death penalty or life imprisonment. Question number 13. What's the role of Ethiopian Human Rights Commission? የኢትዮጵያ ሰብአዊ መብት ኮሚሽን ስራው ምንድን ነው እያለን ነው። መልሱ to promote and protect human rights in the country. የሰው ልጆችን መብት እንዲከበርና እንዲጠበቅ አስፈላጊውን እንቅስቃሴ ማድረግና ተገቢውን advocacy. Number 40. What's the punishment for corruption in Ethiopia? Punishment for corruption in Ethiopia is imprisonment in the fines. Number 15. What's the role of Federal Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission in Ethiopia? What's the role of Federal Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission in Ethiopia? To investigate. The answer is to investigate and prevent corruption in the public sector. Question number 6. What's the punishment for violating freedom of speech in Ethiopia? Someone who violates freedom of speech in Ethiopia. Someone who violates freedom of speech in Ethiopia can be taken a measure up on the man who broke the rule or who violates freedom of speech can be taken a measurement as imprisonment in the fines. Question number 17. What is the role of Federal Police Commission in Ethiopia? Yes, to maintain and order. To maintain law and order, prevent and investigate what? Crimes. Question number 80. What's the punishment for gender-based violence in Ethiopia? Answer: imprisonment and fines. Hello everybody. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and make the video to be available for everyone who want to this video. Okay, thank you so much. Question number 19. What's the role of Federal Supreme Court in Ethiopia? As we know, it is to interpret and ensure the rule of law. Number 20. What is the punishment for violating the right of ethnic minority in Ethiopia? Ethnic what? Minority. Ethnic minority. Ethnic minority. What's the answer? Imprisonment and fines, as well as what? Potential civil penalty. Potential civil penalties. Question number next question, which means what is the legal system of Ethiopia? Hello everyone. Ethiopia's legal system is called what? Is called Ethiopia follows what? Civil law legal system. Civil law legal system. Don't forget, please. Ethiopia follows civil law legal system. Question number 2. Which document serves as the Constitution of Ethiopia? Answer: the current Constitution of Ethiopia, which adopted in 1995, is served as what? Constitution of Ethiopia. Constitution of Ethiopia. Question number 3. What is the role of Federal Supreme Court in Ethiopia? Yes, the role of Federal Supreme Court in Ethiopia is the highest court, as we know, in Ethiopia, has the final interpretation of the Constitution. Have the final interpretation of what? Laws, not Constitution. Constitution interpreted in what? By House of People. By House of Federation. Question number 4. How are judges appointed in Ethiopia? As we know, judges in Ethiopia are appointed by HPR. Means House of People Representative, recommended by Prime Minister. Question number 5. What is the age of criminal responsibility in Ethiopia? The age of criminal responsibility in Ethiopia is 9 years old. Someone who is 9 years old and above, if committed crime, it will measurement will be taken up on him, which means he is responsible, he is conscious, which is to identify which is criminal act or not. Question number 6. What's the punishment for murder in Ethiopia? The answer: murder is punished by life imprisonment or the death penalty in Ethiopia. Yeah, የሞት ቅጣትና የእድሜ ልክ እስራት ማለት ነው። Number 7. What is the legal drinking age in Ethiopia? The legal drinking age in Ethiopia is 18 years old. ውድ የቻናላችን ቤተሰቦች ጥያቄው እየቀጠለ ይገኛል። ቪዲዮን ከወደዳችሁ ላይክ ማድረግና አትርሱ። ለጓደኞቻችሁ ሼር አድርጉላቸው። ይሄ በጣም ወሳኝ ጥያቄ ነው። በኢትዮጵያ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ሲኦሲ ለመፈተንና ህግ ለመቀላቀል የምትፈልጉ እነዚህን ነገር አውቃችሁ ብትገቡ እና በጥልቀት እንድታዩ ነው ይሄን ቪዲዮ እየሰራን ያለነውን። ላይክ ማድረግ፣ ሳብስክራይብ፣ አዲስ ለቻናሉ አዲስ የሆናችሁ ሳብስክራይብ ማድረግና አትርሱ። ሳብስክራይብ ስለምታደርጉ እናመሰግናለን። እንቀጥል። Can the Constitution of Ethiopia be amended? Yes, the Constitution of Ethiopia can be amended through 2/3 majority vote in what? House of People representative, also what? House of People, House of Federation, also the state councils, the approvement of what? Space councils. የህዝብ ተወካዮች ምክር ቤት፣ ሃውስ ፌዴሬሽን ምክር ቤት እና የክልል የጸጥታ ምክር ቤት እነዚህ ውሳኔ ያሳርፈው ተስማምቱ ሲያ እንትን ሲሉ የህገ መንግስት የመስተካከል እንትን አለው አዝማሚያ ያለው ማለት ነው፣ ወይም አመንዴ መሆን። Question number: What is the role of House of Federation in Ethiopia? As we know, House of Federation in Ethiopia are responsible for interpreting the constitution and resolving dispute between what? Regional states. Yeah, regional states. Let's continue, guys. Let's continue. Is Ethiopia a signatory to international human rights treaty? ይለናል። ኢትዮጵያ ለዓለም አቀፍ የሰብአዊ መብቶች ስምምነት ተስማምታለች እያለ ነው። በትክክል yes, Ethiopia is signatory to various international human rights including what? UDHR or Universal Declaration of Human Rights. She incorporated this treaty in her own constitution. Number 11. What is the punishment for theft in Ethiopia? Yes, up to 10 years old. It's clear. Number 12. Can the president of Ethiopia be re-elected for consecutive term? No. The president of Ethiopia can only serve 2 consecutive term. ኢትዮጵያ ፕሬዝዳንት ሁለት ጊዜ ነው መመረጥ የሚችለው እንጂ ለተከታታይ ከሁለት በላይ መመረጥ አይችልም። ለተከታታይ ነገር መመረጥ አይችልም ለሁለት ጊዜ። የጠቅላይ ሚኒስትር ግን አይታወቅም ብለናል። no specific limit። ሺህ ጊዜም እንትን ሊል ይችላል ማለት ነው። Question number 30. What is the legal age for marriage in Ethiopia? ያ 18 በላይ እና ከዛ በላይ ማለት ነው ለሁለቱም ለሴትም ለወንድ። Okay, 14. What is the punishment for dog trafficking in Ethiopia? For drug trafficking in Ethiopia. ማዘዋወር ለሚሳተፉ ሰዎች ይህን ወንጀል ለሚሰሩ ሰዎች እስከ 25 ዓመት ጽኑ እስራት የምታሰር እንትን አላቸው ማለት ነው። Question number 50. Question number 50. What is the role of federal ethics and corruption? ቅድም ተመልሷል። Okay. Can the Prime Minister of Ethiopia be impeached? Yes, the Prime Minister of Ethiopia can be impeached by 2/3 majority vote in House of People representative. በወንጀል ሊከሰስ ይችላል ወይ እያለን ነው። Yes, በትክክል። What is the punishment for rape in Ethiopia? ጠለፋ ወንጀል ለሚሰሩ ጠለፋ ማለት rape. Rape punishable by imprisonment for up to 20 years old. What is the role of House of People representative? Also ተመልሷል ቅድም። የህዝብ ተወካዮች ምክር ቤት ስራቸው ምንድነው? ህግ መስራት ማለት ሎው ሜኪንግ ባዲ ናቸው ብለን አፕሩቭ ባጀት ያደርጋሉ። Can the regional states in Ethiopia have their own legal system? የኢትዮጵያ ክልሎች የራሳቸው የሆነ ሌጋል ሲስተም የላቸው። ኢትዮጵያ እንደ ሀገር ብቻ ነው ሌጋል ሲስተም ያላት ማለት ነው። ምንድነው ሌጋል ሲስተም የሚባለው? ሲቪል ሎው ሌጋል ሲስተም፣ ሲቪል ሎው ሌጋል ሲስተም ይባላል ማለት ነው። ክልሎች አይኖራቸውም ማለት ነው። ዋት ኢዝ ዘ ፓኒሽመንት ፎር ትሬሽን ኢን ኢትዮጵያ? ቅድም እንደመለስ ነው ክህደት ማለት ነው። በሀገር ክህደት ሊሆን ይችላል የተለያየ ነገር። ፓኒሽመንቱ ምንድነው? እስከ እድሜ ልክ እስራት ማለት ነው። አሁን ደግሞ ምርጫ ጥያቄ እንሰራለን። which branch of government in Ethiopia is responsible for making and passing law? ምንድነው? ድርድር የለውም። ኤክስኪዩቲቭ ብራንች ይላል፣ ቢ ሌጂስሌቲቭ ብራንች፣ ሲ ጁዲሻል ብራንች፣ ዲ ነን ኦፍ ዘ አባቭ። ኤክስኪዩቲቭ አይደለም። ኤክስኪዩቲቭ ምንድነው? ሚኒስትሮች ምክር ቤት እና ፕራይም ሚኒስተር፣ እነዚህ ኢምፕሊመንት ህግን አስፈጻሚዎች ናቸው። ሌጂስሌቲቭ ሜኪንግ ሎው ኢንአክቲንግ ሎው፣ ጁዲሻል አር ኢንተርፕሪቲንግ ዘ ሮል ኦፍ ጁዲሻል ኢዝ ቱ ኢንተርፕሪት ሎው። So the answer is B. Question number: what is the highest law of the land in Ethiopia? Yeah, it is the Ethiopian constitution. The Ethiopian constitution. Question number 3: which of the following right is protected by Ethiopian constitution? Yes, freedom of speech. Question number 4: who is the head of state? ቅድም እንደመለስ ነው በምርጫ መልክ መጣልን። በቃ the head of state in Ethiopia is president. the head of what? head of government ከሆነ government is prime minister. How often are general election held in Ethiopia? general election በስንት ዓመቱ ነው የሚካሄደው? yes 4. Question number 9: which of the following is fundamental principle of Ethiopian constitutional law? ይህ በጣም ወሳኝ ጥያቄ ነው ውድ የቻናላችን ቤተሰቦች። እንግዲህ አርቲክል የመጀመሪያው የኢትዮጵያ ምዕራፍ 1 የኢትዮጵያ ኮንስቲቱሽን ፕሮቪዥን ኦፍ ኢትዮጵያን ኮንስቲቱሽን፣ ሁለተኛ ፋንዳሜንታል ፕሪንሲፕል ኦፍ ኢትዮጵያን ኮንስቲቱሽን ነው። ይሄ በጣም ወሳኝ ጥያቄ ነው ማለት ነው። እናም በአጽንኦት እንድታዩት። ምንድነው መልሱ? ኤ ሴፓሬሽን ኦፍ ፓወር፣ ቢ ዋን ፓርቲ ሩል፣ ሲ ሪሊጂየስ ሱፕሪማሲ፣ ዲ አብሶሉት ሞናርኪ። መልሱ ሴፓሬሽን ኦፍ ፓወር አርቲክል 11 ማለት ነው። ሴፓሬሽን ኦፍ ፓወር የመጀመሪያው ምንድነው? ሶቨሪንቲ ታለ ሉዓላዊነት፣ ሱፕሪማሲ ኦፍ ኮንስቲቱሽን አርቲክል 9፣ አርቲክል 10 ሂውማን ኤንድ ዲሞክራሲ ኦር ፋንዳሜንታል ራይትስ ኤንድ ፍሪደም ላቸው ሂውማን እና ዲሞክራሲ ራይት። ኦኬ አርቲክል 11 ሴፓሬሽን ኦፍ ፓወር ኤንድ ሴፓሬሽን ኦፍ ፓወር no separation of power, separation of state and separation of what? state and religion article 11 ማለት ነው። separation of state and religion article 12 ደግሞ the conduct and the accountability of the government ማለት ነው። እናም question 10 ደግሞ how can Ethiopian constitution be amended? ቅድም እንደሰራ ነው። by majority votes in house of people representative። ውድ የቻናላችን ቤተሰቦች የዛሬ የነበረን የሲኦሲ ጥያቄዎች ከሲኦሲ ጋር ሪሌቫንት የሆኑ ጥያቄዎች እነዚህ ይመስላሉ። ቀጣይ አዲስ ቪዲዮ እንድንሰራ እናም ላይክ በማድረግ ለብዙዎች ተደራሽ እንዲሆን ጓደኞቻችሁ ሼር አድርጉላቸው። ስላዳመጣችሁን ከልብ እናመሰግናለን። እንግዲህ ኢትዮ ቲዩብን ሳብስክራይብ ስለምታደርጉን በዚህ አድናቆታችንን መግለጽ እንወዳለን። እናመሰግናለን።